Okay, I'm going to be honest. I was planning to do some cool animations like TED or something, but I now only have 10 days to get this done. So here goes my attempt at This Person Explains the Big Bang Theory. You might think that the universe began with a bang, but no. Let me explain. Actually, we all originated from a very, very small point that was infinitely dense, infinitely hot, and infinitely awesome. Then this point, whatever you want to call it, began to very rapidly expand in what is known as inflation theory. The universe expanded in every direction into itself. You see, the definition of the universe means that there was no such thing as space before the birth of the universe. And thanks to this guy named Albert Einstein, who combined both space and time into a dimension known as space-time, this also means that the birth of the universe is literally the beginning of time. But, just like everything in science, this is still not 100% certain, and who knows, time could have existed before the birth of the universe. The universe could be continuously creating and destroying itself. This might be the 100th universe. Scientists are pretty confident that the universe began with a very, very small point because we can observe that the universe is expanding today. We know that different types of light have different wavelengths. Red light has a longer wavelength than blue light. If an object, in this case a galaxy, was moving away from us, this would mean that the space between us and that galaxy would be expanding. This expansion causes the light waves coming from that galaxy to be stretched, increasing its wavelength. This makes the light that we see to be closer to the red end of the light spectrum than the light that originally left that galaxy. It's been red-shifted. Edward Hubble and his assistant were among the first people to find that all the galaxies around us were red-shifted. This means that they were all moving away from us. Think of the universe like a blueberry muffin. The batter is the universe, and the blueberries are the individual galaxies. As you bake the muffin, the batter expands and carries the blueberries along with it. This causes the blueberries to be further apart from each other. The blueberries aren't moving away from each other, so to speak, but it's the batter that's causing the space between them to increase. You pick any blueberry, and you will find that all other blueberries are moving away from it. Since we established that the universe is constantly expanding, then in theory, if we were to rewind time, there would be a point where everything in the universe would be condensed into a single dot, or what can be very amusingly called a cosmic egg. So next time you stare into the night sky, just think about how there was once a time where all of us were one, quite literally.